Hi, this is Steve. I am going to do a video on how to learn Chinese online at LingQ. And the first video will be on where to find content to learn from. I'm following the model of the other videos. The first place to find content is in the LingQ Library. I happen to have the library open at the intermediate level. There are a total of 6 levels. Beginner 1, 2, intermediate 1, 2, advanced 1, 2, and depending on which one you click to, you will see content relevant to that level of difficulty. So a few other things, you can search for content here at the library. There is an advanced search view. I'm not going to go there. Here we see the import bookmarklet, which you can drag and drop to your toolbar, and that will enable you to import any text from anywhere on the web. It could be an email you've received in Chinese or a newspaper article online, and you can immediately import it and it becomes a lesson and you can start learning. Now here we have these different items that have been provided by our members. This is the rating by the users. The duration of the audio. All these lessons have both audio and text. In some cases they have Pinyin, in some cases they have video as well. Let me see what else is there. If we go to the beginner one shelf, we can see some beginner lessons, some of which LingQ has provided, and in these Chinese LingQ versions you will find a translation into English, or really into any language, because these lessons are paralleled in all of the 11 languages that we support at LingQ. Let me see what else is there. If I go, now bear in mind that I am not studying Chinese at LingQ. I have imported various texts for different reasons, but I am not actively studying Chinese. But if you go to the My Imports area at the bottom, you will find a bunch of suggested resources. And this is another place that I think is very helpful. While we have a wonderful library at LingQ in 6 different levels of difficulty, and I would certainly, you can't exhaust those resources, but if you are interested, there are some wonderful resources elsewhere that you can go to from here. Like if we click on this one here, Cultural Interviews in Chinese from the University of Texas, and all of these can be integrated with the LingQ learning system. So here we have, for example, this person here. Pretty soon her video should show up. While waiting for that.
关于这个高科技的玩具的使用，我想在近几年来不管是世界各地的人，也是。
At any rate, you can listen to her, you can download the audio, you can look at the traditional characters, the simplified characters, the pinyin, and all of this can be studied in conjunction with LingQ by importing the text and creating a lesson in LingQ. So that then is sort of an initial view of the library. I could show you how the, maybe I'll do that, I'll show you how the Quick LingQ feature works. If I go to something like the People's Daily and I click on an article, any article here, and I highlight the article or part of the article, whatever I want to do, I highlight that, and then I simply go to my bookmarklet, and the bookmarklet will ask me just to confirm what language I'm in, and I'm coming from Chinese. So then I import that lesson, and that lesson will then slot in. However, sometimes it takes longer. And here we go, and then I can start, linking. And that is what I'm going to get to in the next video. So, thank you for listening, and if you have any questions, please let me know.